My room is an archive of memories. Every item in my room attaches me to at least one beautiful memory, items that remind me of memories with my loved ones, my travels, my different stages of life, music I've played and admired over the years, and so much more. This is a space that sparks the most creativity and comfort for me. I feel that my room shows such a large part of my being. Hello lovelies! Today I will be showing you my room. I'm never finished decorating and bringing in new memories, but today I have it about as ready as it ever will be. It's eclectic and whimsical, and my favorite parts include this corner, my butterfly mirror, and the desk. I've been told it resembles Howl's room in Howl's Moving Castle, and that makes me so happy. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, so if you like these videos, I would really appreciate if you would like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on for more. Without further ado, here's the room tour. I'm starting out this tour in this corner where my door is. On the door I have this beautiful tapestry style purse that I often use when going out, and on the right side of the door I have one of two of these beautiful gold butterfly hooks where I keep my tote bag with my essentials in it. I found these hooks at one of my local thrift stores for $10, which is such an amazing deal. On the other side I have my mirror from Walmart along with, get this, another purse. My mom gave me this wooden purse a while back, and even though I can't fit any of my purse items into it, I love it so much. Then over here we have these heart shells with this antique mirror my grandmother gave me recently, along with some other trinkets from when I was younger. On the other shelves I have some books, celestial candles, and some other trinkets. On the left side of my room I have this big bookcase I got from Walmart. On the bottom shelves I have my shoes. Some of the shoes I wear the most are on the higher shelf, while my more formal ones, my antique style ones, and smaller ones are on the bottom. This next shelf holds these frames with pictures I took in Hallstatt and Athens, a picture with my lovely boyfriend we took together a few months after we got together, and this picture of fairies dancing from Pinterest. I bought these silver frames secondhand, but the brand is International Silver Company, and the other frame is from Ross. I also have this cool flower candle from a German Christmas market that floats on water and uses vegetable oil to fuel a flame. I also have some trinkets and some rocks for pizzazz. Yes, this is a library book, by the way, but I bought it at Goodwill, so I promise I did not steal it from a library. Anyways, this next shelf includes some of my beautiful art books. I love shifting through them and admiring gorgeous works and reading more about the artists I really love, like Botticelli, Vermeer, and Caravaggio. On top of my books, I have this other bag, and to the side I have this lovely wooden angel. This shelf holds these boxes. One holds birthday cards and other kind notes, and the other is a memento box full of memories with my lover. It holds pictures, movie tickets, museum tickets, and some other mementos, as well as this Artemis statue, which my cat broke, but I tried to glue her back together, as you can see. Below the statue, I have this antique book I found for 50 cents. It's from the late 1800s, and it has writing and scraps of old newspaper articles inside. I love how you can see pieces of the old owner's life within the antique items. On top of the bookcase, I have some more books, a clock, and this gorgeous floral bunny I found while digging through the Goodwill outlet. It is incredible that she was found in one piece, and she is lovely. Next, I have my dresser that I found at Goodwill. I have a mirror on top to open up the space, and I just placed some fabric flowers and greenery too. You'll notice that all of my greenery is fake because I have cats and they will eat real plants and make themselves sick. On this side of the room, I have some really pretty clothes and pictures mainly. I have my guitar over here. I tried to play a few years ago, but I don't use it as often anymore. I have some frames and mirrors that I haven't been able to find a place for too in the corner. They also hide my trash can, which is great. There's also this tapestry I found for about $15 at one of my local thrift shops. It reminds me of a beautiful street in Italy, so I absolutely love it. Over here I have my great $10 clothing rack from IKEA. It holds my coats, sweaters, and dresses mainly. As you can probably tell from my clothing videos, I absolutely adore all of these items, especially my swan penny lane coat. Up here I have this cloud lamp I made a while ago. I don't use it very often anymore, but I spent like a week making it and putting it up, so it's definitely staying. Here I have some delicate prints on display in some gold and wooden frames, as well as this beautiful figure skater and this shelf full of extra pretty things. Also on the wall, I have this rose painting and this watercolor-like mirror along with plastic vines and this moon mirror from Five Below. Under the moon mirror, I have this old folding table with a pillowcase on top along with a set of flower prints, a wooden lamp, my sunset lamp, and my fan I use every night mostly for background noise. I also have this beautiful fairy journal based on the Andrew Lang fairy book covers. I bought the green one at Barnes & Noble and I love it. Under the desk I have this bag where I keep extra purses and this beautiful tattered footstool as well. On the other side of my room I have my vanity, which was my great-grandmother's. On the right side of my vanity I have some posters from Pinterest I printed out with FedEx back when that was inexpensive, along with this moon decoration with dried baby's breath. On the shelves I have candles, books, jewelry boxes, and other girly trinkets. I want to redecorate the space soon, but it still looks really sweet for now. This box and this candle holder are my favorite items on this shelf. The vanity itself is gorgeous, and I nailed these flower branches in as well to give the illusion that it is blossoming from the vanity. On the side of the vanity I also have some old books that hold up my bowl for my favorite jewelry. I also have this Da Vinci print and some other trinkets and rings around. My favorite jewelry is the jewelry I buy as souvenirs when traveling, so other than looking beautiful, they also hold a lot of significance for me. This brooch is from the 20s and is from a market in Barcelona. This pin is from a shop in Versailles, and this mermaid cameo is from a shop in Roatan. Every time I wear them, they remind me of such beautiful memories. On the left, I have another jewelry box from my mom with some of my bulkier pieces and just some extra jewelry I don't wear often. On the other side, I have this piece of fabric along with this shell on this candle holder. I like the way this looks, but I really want to make one of those old decorative shell cups out of this shell and an old detailed candle holder, but it will stay like this until I find what I'm looking for. I also have this vintage brush and mirror. They don't match, but they still look really pretty together anyways. On top of some books and an old handkerchief and a doily, I have this plastic fern from IKEA candle and this beautiful gold swan. On the wall, I have some cutouts I printed from Pinterest, dried flowers, and photos. My mom also helped me spray paint this plastic mirror from the dollar store gold to bring it all together. On the left shelf, we have this beautiful mermaid print placed behind this beautiful glass vase and the sun candle holder along with this geode I got when I was really young. Here I have some old books, mostly classics. There's also this beautiful jewelry box I found about 4 years ago at one of my local thrift stores. I have too much jewelry, to be honest, but I really love all of it. On this shelf I have this book under my ring box. This box is where I keep most of my rings and my dainty moon earrings and little hoop earrings. There's also this beautiful box used for potpourri, I believe, but I just have it chilling there. This shelf holds some shells and other childhood memories, while the last shelf holds some more books. On the ground, I have this beautiful box my mom got for me when we went to an antique store in northern England. I don't know what exact time period it's from, but it's definitely from the first half of the 1900s. This holds some of my lace and other beautiful pieces of fabric. Here we have my closet with the other butterfly hook that holds my favorite corset from Office 7 on Etsy. It's so gorgeous and one of the best clothing items I own. On the doorknob, I have this vintage bag my grandma gave me, and it holds some extra trinkets as well. Now for my favorite part of my room, the iconic corner. I keep seeing this corner of my room pop up on Pinterest, and that is truly an honor to me. I love that people love it so much. Starting from the top, I have these hanging plants from IKEA, these amazing Victorian cats that I collect, and some other cute items. My mom bought these heart shelves on Craigslist a long time ago, and I've just had them for as long as I can remember. On the shelves, we have this frame from Goodwill, and I just placed some cute cutouts from Pinterest inside. I have this really simple watercolor painting behind the frame and a candle to hold up the frame. The next shelf holds some books and plays as well as a box of pearls. Also, I have some solid perfume in this really cute container. This shelf holds this crown I bought on Wish like 6 years ago and my medieval style turtle I named Camelot. My mom found him for me as a gift for completing my last dance performance my senior year of high school. This next shelf holds a picture of my childhood pet Cassie. She passed away about 2 years ago and I love her so dearly. I just always want to remember her. On the last shelf, I have this candle holder with pretty shells on it and a cool little box. There's not too much light, so sorry for the lower camera quality. Next, I have my pretty lamp with some fake vines next to my rocking chair. This basket holds my corsets. I've been making a lot more lately, so it's getting quite full. Here we have my bedside table, my record player is here along with my salt lamp and some more gold trinkets. Take a shot every time I say trinkets challenge. There are 2 more lamps here on top of some more books as well. On the wall I have this beautiful framed fan I bought for like $15 at Goodwill. I also have some more pretty artworks and this gorgeous gold mirror. I found these butterfly decorations that I absolutely adore, and I love how they look around my mirror. It just looks like a magic mirror to me and I love it. Lastly, here is my bed. The bed was also my great-grandmother's, and I just have white sheets along with this embroidered blanket I found secondhand. For pillows, I have 2 regular pillows and several of these beautiful tapestry pillows. Above my bed, I have this angel tapestry as well as some dried flowers and vines. On the side, I have my poster wall. It is full of musical artists I've loved, places I love, and a lot of celestial influence. I have cutouts from Pinterest here, along with a postcard from Venice and a picture I took in Vienna. I also have several museum tickets and this Waterhouse draft print on display. Up here, I have some of my favorite bands. Here is a Manta Rays poster I printed out. They're this small band from Tulsa I found on accident, and this song was the first song I listened to by them. I also have this Cocteau Twins poster. She has the dreamiest voice and they've been my favorite band for years. I also have this Live Aid poster up, as well as these posters from Tears for Fears and Susie and the Banshees. Lastly, I have Seven Swans by Sufjan Stevens up on display, and even though Carrie and Lowell is one of my favorite albums of all time, this is also such a banger. I love how all of these items show different aspects of my personality and my different stages of life, and I just love my room so much. That is all for today's room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm happy that so many people like my room and love hearing about all the memories I have. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye!